we love a fast and unequivocally easy answer to our problems, how to deal with anger, how to forgive, how to conquer fear, right? But the truth is that there's a million kind of anger, there's a million kind of fear, and there's a million reasons to forgive or not to forgive. Emotions are not objective. They relate to your belief, to your life, to your experiences. No one can say what you should do or not with your emotion. You have to learn it. So the wiser thing we can do, instead of following your recipes, we need to become friends with our body again, practicing with the tools that allow us to feel all our emotion and the somatic sensation that they bring, identifying the message behind this emotional information, and then find out our answer at any given moment. That's how we learn what we should do to conquer fear, anger, sadness, and whatever. That's how we learn to reunite mind and body and listen to our own inner voice again.